Hello everyone, my name is Janie and I'm here at Healthshift as a head physio. Today we're going to be doing an advanced hip mobility routine. So possibly every joint and every muscle that we can target near this area. It is completely multifunctional. You can use this as your pre-squat warm-up routine or you can use this as your go-to bedtime routine. As long as you're moving, that's all that matters. Today we're going to be doing 6 exercises, 40 seconds working, 20 seconds rest. And we're going to be repeating both on the left and the right side. Make sure that your body is prepared for this mobility routine because you have to be going through the beginners and the intermediate version before you're trying this. Remember, move your body in a safe way and only do as much as your body is comfortable with. Let us get started with the first exercise, which is pigeon pose to the internal rotation. We're going to start by coming into a pigeon pose like this. Push your body down as much as you can and place your ankle exactly where the hips were and take it all the way outwards. Again, you're going to take your body into a pigeon pose and take it all the way outwards and down like this. Perfect. This exercise is also strengthening the muscles around the hips, not necessarily just mobility. So take it slow, move according to your body. We're almost there. Drive your hips down every single second. 2, 1, and let's take a break. Well done. We're going to shift to the opposite side. Take a couple of seconds to breathe and come to positions into a pigeon pose. We'll start in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Pigeon pose, pick up, place it out, drive your body down. Pick it up, pigeon pose, back, drive the body down. Lovely. Make sure that you're syncing your breathing with this. Do not hold your breath and ensure that your ankles are quite close to your wrist when you're doing the pigeon pose. It does require quite a bit of work. So at any point you feel it's too difficult, pace yourself down. 3, 2, 1, and take a break. Well done. The next exercise we're doing, we're going to give a break to your wrist. We're once again working on the internal and the external rotation of your hips. All you're going to be doing is bringing your leg all the way out to the side like this. We're going to use your hands to give a good push outside and once again use your hands to give a good push inside. All the way out and away from you and all the way back down. Lovely. Let's keep going. I like to exhale during the more difficult parts, so whichever part of the movement you feel like your body needs more work, give it that. 10 more seconds to go. Come on. 3, 2, 1, and take a break. Well done. Let's shift to the opposite side. Take a couple of deep breaths. We'll take another 5 seconds out. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Push all the way out and all the way down. Now the intensity of this also matters on how far the ankles are away from your body. The more away it is, of course, the tougher it gets. Do not try to move or slide the ankles like this when you're doing the movement. Keep it stuck in one same area, whatever your body has chosen and is within limits. Perfect. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Lovely. Let's move on. The next exercise is going to be 90-90s, but we are doing single leg, again strength and joint mobility, both of them combined. One of the legs are rotated towards you like this, very comfortable. Opposite leg is outwards like this. You are going to hold your ankles like this, rotate it all the way down and rotate it all the way outside and push down. Feel free to lean forward as much as you need to while you're doing this movement, but make sure that your body is not using external pressure to reach in that position. Now, as you start getting a bit more better with the movement, try to not raise your buttocks too much off the floor. You have to keep it as grounded as you can and just let the knees and hips do this for you. Very well done. Come on. 3, 2, 1, and take a quick break. Well done. You're going to rotate your sides before we restart. Usually the left side, and if you're a righty, if your non-dominant side is the left one, usually people are a lot more tighter on the non-dominant side. So here you can use a little bit of external pressure if you need to. Perfect. Keep your body as steady as you can. Do not allow your buttocks to leave the floor like this to do the movement. Keep it completely stable on the ground. If you feel like that's happening too much, you can only then slightly get off the floor while your body leans forward. This movement is best done when you're a little bit more relaxed. So not a good idea to do this right after your workout because you do need quite a bit of energy and it can be quite taxing. And relax. Take some rest. The next exercise are called as hip cars. And here we're working on your hip capsule. So each joint is surrounded by a small layer which is called a capsule, and it is pretty thick and very resilient. And we are going to be working on the mobility of this. All you're doing is making a big clockwise circle and a big clockwise circle, anti-clockwise circle, without letting your knees straighten too much or bend too much. You want to maintain this 90-degree angle throughout the movement, and if someone were to be standing beside you, try to point your kneecap right to them. So no half movements like this. You want to point your kneecap right at them before you're making the rotations. We're almost there, a couple of more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and let's switch your sides. Good work. Here the burn should be felt on the opposite leg because that's what is helping you keeping on the ground without tipping over. So it's completely normal to feel the opposite leg working over here. Couple of more seconds. We're going to get started with this leg and let's begin. Up, out, and back and down. No swinging of the spine. You do not want to arch and round your back like this. Keep it as neutral as you can. No rotation of the torso. So try your best to do it with perfect technique. Good one. We're almost there. Come on, you got this, guys. Stay with me. 10 more seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Take some rest. The next exercise we're doing is something called as bootstrappers. You've probably done this if you are used to doing squat warm-up routines, but it's one of the best exercises that get anyone who are doing hip mobility workouts. You're going to tap or hold your toes, round your back, go as low as you can, and just try to straighten your knees without letting your hands go off the toes. Beautiful. Let's try. Use your elbows to push your knees out when you're going down and try to lock your knees when you're leaning forward. It is completely okay if you're getting stuck over here, but do not let your hands leave the toes. Keep going. Give your best. Inhale when you go down, push your knees away from each other. Exhale when you're coming up and take some rest. Very well done. Sip some water if you need to. We have one more set of this exercise. All right, let's get started. And let's begin. All the way down and deep. Push everything away from each other and straighten and lock. Beautiful. Let's keep going. The slower you can do this, the more relaxed your body is, and the more deeper you're going to be able to go. You might also notice that you're feeling a lot more opened up compared to the first set, and that's exactly how it should be. 10 more seconds to go. Come on, I know it's tough, but you got this. 3, 2, 1, and take a break. Give your thighs some rest. We're gonna go on to a little bit more relaxing exercise for the last one of this workout. Take a few deep breaths. And we're gonna start by hugging our knees over here. 2, 1, let's go. Push your knees as close as you can to your chest. And all you're going to be doing is using momentum and taking your face as low as you can towards your knees. Again, go down, give a nice hug. Once again, use momentum, lean forward, round your back. Perfect. Use your knees and your hands to push your body or pull your body towards it. So you can change the perspective if that helps you push a little bit more better. Almost there. And take some rest. You've done amazing. We have barely 5% of this workout left. Come on, let's lock in. Hands together and let's begin. Pull, straighten, lean forward. Lovely. Pull, straighten, and lean forward. Keep moving. Come on. Perfect, perfect. You're doing great. We're just 10 more seconds away. Let's hold here for a couple of extra seconds before you pull again. 3, 2, 1. Bonus. Hands up. Lean forward. Touch your toes. 3, 2, 1. That's it. Beautiful. So glad that you were with me through the entire workout. Take care and I'll see you next class. Bye.